Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes on this Wednesday, the 27th of March. And as we start off the day looking at the satellite, we've got clouds. There's a cold front that's come on through. There's not much with the cold front, but if you notice across the southeastern part of the United States, we have a blow up of cloud cover and some rain and thunderstorms over the Florida Panhandle and in northern Florida and moving into southern Georgia and South Carolina. That area is going to gradually blossom out. The old ocean storm is weak and way out to the east. The storm in the plains is now in central Canada, and that trailing cold front is going to set off a wave of low pressure that'll be moving up the east coast for tonight and Thursday. And as we check out the radar, as of 8:20 a.m. Eastern Time. We actually have some showers all the way up into Virginia and aloft in Maryland. And we have some heavier showers and thunderstorms popping up from South Carolina on southward, again into the Florida Panhandle and moving to the east. To the west and northwest, there's not a whole lot going on. We've got a few showers on that frontal boundary in upstate New York and on up to the Canada side. That front's not going to be especially active today. It's really all about that wave coming up from the south. Now, as far as rainfall is concerned, we've been on this idea that we would see the wave, instead of moving northward up to, say, off the New Jersey coast and south of Long Island, is going to try to do that initially, but then when it reaches North Carolina, Southeast Virginia, it's going to jog to the east and then turn to the north. So that, I think, spares us any big rainfalls. However, if you notice, there's a sharp dividing line. The half-inch line is just north and west of New York City and Philadelphia. The inch and a half line skims coastal southern New Jersey and eastern Long Island into southeastern New England, with the possibility of 2 inches or more right on the Cape. So, minor wobble here and there could make a huge difference. It's going to be pretty tight, but I don't think we're going to have too much to deal with regards to um, flooding issues here this time around, although the moisture content of the soil is pretty high. And as we check out the Storm Prediction Center today, marginal risk in central Texas, marginal risk in northern Florida up to South Carolina. That does not come with any tornado risk, at least for now. And we don't really see much in the way of severe weather to worry about for tomorrow into Friday, nor do we see any severe weather to worry about for Friday into Saturday. So here's our low sitting northeast of Lake Superior, between Lake Superior and James Bay. The trailing cold front this morning to our west. It's going to get hung up right near the coast. Then the wave develops. The heaviest rain will be in eastern North Carolina and southeastern Virginia, and we'll have rain up and down the coast for Thursday morning. And that rain is going to hold back. You see how it cuts off to the northwest, northeastern Pennsylvania, middle and upper Hudson Valley, probably just on the edge of this. And then the low takes that jog to the east. We'll have rain going into Thursday evening. Then it tapers off and ends as the low intensifies offshore. Drier air comes in behind it. And as far as the Easter weekend is concerned, we've got a weak low that's coming out of the plains that's going to weaken as it moves eastward. So if it does that, there might be a weakening area of rain from southwest Pennsylvania down to southern New Jersey late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Uh, don't think it's going to be anything that's going to cause a problem. And then Easter Sunday looks nice, a little bit breezy with sunshine and temperatures probably into the 50s. No major storms to worry about for now. As we move into next week, looks like a weather system will be coming eastward along about Tuesday or Wednesday with rain or showers. So after Thursday, we do get what I would consider a bit of a break before we have to deal with more rain issues. We'll, of course, take care of all of this tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast. I believe our start time tonight is at 8 o'clock. I will double check that, and when I put up the show a little later today to open up the chat board, I'll confirm the time and let everybody know. So we'll see you tonight.